If you're a homeowner, you need to know this. On-grid and off-grid solar systems explained, coming right up. All right, homeowners. Picture this. Sunny days and lower bills with on-grid solar systems. They're hooked up to the public grid, meaning any extra power you make goes back to the grid for sweet, sweet credits. No need for pricey batteries, and your wallet stays happy with lower upfront costs. But remember, you'll still rely on the grid when the sun's taking a nap. Now for the rebels out there, off-grid systems. These bad boys work solo, no grid needed. Yep, energy independence at its finest. But you'll need batteries to store all that solar goodness, which can bump up the initial price tag. The trade-off? No more monthly electricity bills, and perfect for those far-off locations or iffy grid connections. So, on-grid for saving bucks and easy setup, off-grid for freedom and no electric bills. The choice is yours, and the sun's ready to help either way.